Hi, I'm Pete Morehouse, the course tutor. This in-depth course provides all the information you're going to need in order to be able to safely introduce woodwork to young children, as well as how to make the most of your woodworking provision. I think woodwork is a truly extraordinary activity. There's something so special about working with wood. The smell and feel of wood, using the real tools, which combine together to really draw in children's curiosity, to really captivate young children. We see exceptional levels of focus and concentration, as well as sustained engagement for quite significant periods of time. It's incredibly popular with children and packed full of opportunities for learning. So we'll be looking closely at the pedagogical context, looking at all the associated learning and development, and discover just how cross-curricular woodwork is by embracing all areas. I'll be emphasising how rich woodwork is, especially for developing children's creative and critical thinking skills, as well as for their personal development, particularly in helping develop children's core dispositions to learning and promoting well-being. We really see children flourishing at the woodwork bench. We'll take a look at the most suitable tools and woods for children to work with. I'll demonstrate how to use the tools at the workbench, and I'll show how best to introduce them to children, and then we'll go on to look at the different options for setting up a woodwork area. I'll be discussing children's progression with the tools and looking closely at the adult role in terms of how best to support the provision. The course provides comprehensive health and safety guidance. We'll look at how to undertake a risk assessment, and I'll emphasise all the measures that we need to put in place to ensure that woodwork is safe and low risk provision. I'll also talk briefly about how best to reassure any parents that might be a little apprehensive. I'll be providing many examples of children's individual work, highlighting different forms of creative expression, as well as sharing some ideas for longer-term collaborative projects. I'll be giving clear guidance for providing your own hands-on experience to become familiar with all of the tools and the health and safety measures to put in place before you start introducing woodwork to children. Included is a comprehensive set of handouts and course notes. And this course is aimed at everybody working in early childhood education, irrespective of their particular curriculum, your region or type of setting. The course draws on my 20 years of experience of working in early childhood settings providing woodwork, and also from my international research. I'm the author of Learning Through Woodwork, and I've written extensively about woodwork in educational journals. I'd love for all children to be able to experience the magic of woodwork, and I very much hope that this course will provide you with all of the knowledge and inspiration in order to be able to embed woodwork within your setting and make this wonderful opportunity available to all your children.